Hello,
Hi,
teacher.
good evening. Can you hear me?
Good evening.
Uh-huh. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you see me? Oh no, I think. Oh, I think it's mine. It's my internet.
You're so loud.
What is it? Okay. I think we have some delays. We've got having some feedbacks. And sometimes your video's not moving. But am I clear? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's begin. Our topic for today is about speaking. And it's about restaurants. Ooh, I think you'll do very well today. It's about restaurants. And we're going to learn words related to eating and about restaurants. And let's start. Slideshow. Where is that? Mhm. We're on test 3, KET test 3, lesson 3. Okay. So let's start with, oh, what's happening? Okay. Eating at home versus eating out. Okay. How often do you eat out?
Um, I think twice a week.
Twice a week. Okay. And where do you usually go when you eat out?
I don't know because my family go at somewhere.
Oh, you mean you don't go back to the same place? You go to different place
Yeah.
every time? Ooh. And can you sort it out? Is it a restaurant, fast food, street food? Where?
Uh, Restaurant.
Restaurant. Okay. So you usually go on a restaurant. Okay. But different kinds of restaurant. Is that what you mean?
Mm, I don't know.
What do you mean by, tell me, what places or places to eat have you visited?
Many places.
Like, I think you have visited a Japanese restaurant. You like sushi, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that is a Japanese cuisine. So, have you tried that on a Japanese restaurant?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. If you've got any questions, you can ask me anytime, okay? Okay. Who do you usually go when you eat out?
With my family.
Please answer in full thought. I usually
I usually go
with.
with my family.
Okay. Have you tried food from other countries?
Uh, yes, I have.
And like what?
Japan.
Mhm.
champagne.
Okay. Do you like eating at buffets?
Yes, I
Yes.
do.
Uh-huh. Why?
Because I can choose many food.
Yes. Okay. What is the difference between a restaurant and a buffet?
Restaurant, a waiter bring food, and buffet we can choose many food
Okay.
we like.
Very good. Talk about a restaurant you like. Okay, reserve this one. We'll talk about this one later, okay? We will talk about your favorite restaurant. Where is it? Why you like it? And what do you usually order in that restaurant? Okay, let's go to the vocabulary word. Please read number one.
Appetizer.
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 Appetizer. Yes, it comes from the root word appetite. Appetite means the feeling or wanting to eat. Okay? You want to eat, the feeling of you want to eat. Mhm. Example, when I say, I have no appetite, it means I don't have the feeling or the want to eat. Okay? Can you hear me? Yes. Okay, so what is an appetizer?
Mm, a dish that eaten
Dish.
before the main course.
Yeah.
A dish.
Uh-huh. I'll show you another picture. What is an appetizer for?
The main function of appetizer is
Mhm.
increase your hunger and prepare young for the main course. The
Yes. Okay.
flavors.
That will be all. Okay. To increase your hunger and prepare you for the main course. And now I'm going to show you another picture of some examples of appetizer. Oopsie. Okay. What have you noticed about these appetizer? What do they have in common?
Mm,
Mhm. What have you noticed? Look. Mhm. Mhm. They are.
uh,
Mhm. Hello.
uh, I think it's like snacks.
Yes, like snacks, and it's in small servings. Okay, just in small servings, just to bring up your appetite, to make you feel hungry and you want to eat more. So, those are appetizers. And do you serve appetizer at home?
Mm,
Do you serve
I think.
appetizer at home? Remember, this is before
Mm,
the actual meal. Before before the main course. Do you?
Yeah.
Yes. What appetizer
Yeah.
do you usually have?
A sausage
What is it like?
and a sausage and an egg.
Oh, okay. So those are dishes, a small serving, just to feel your hunger. So you want to eat, for you to be excited to eat. Okay. Next. Any questions, Lynn?
No.
No. Number two.
Course.
Course. One part of a meal. I will show you an example of a course. Please wait. When we say course, there are different types or numbers of course depending on what you have ordered. Okay. Oh, it's not here. Oh, it's here. I found it here. So this is a 5-course meal. What's included? What are included in a 5-course meal?
Uh,
Remember, a course is one part of a meal. So when we say there are 5 courses, there are 5 meals, 5 parts of a meal. What are the 5 parts in this example?
mm,
First,
appetizers,
uh,
soups, bread and butter.
mhm.
Main course or accompaniment.
Accompaniments.
Accompaniment.
Mhm.
There's dessert.
Dessert.
Dessert. I don't know how to read a last word.
Beverages.
Beverages.
Yes, beverages are drinks. Drinks. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so when we say course, we use the word course to describe a meal. Okay. So it's up to you how many courses you like in your meal. Okay. Any questions, Lynn?
No.
And when you go to a restaurant, how many courses do you usually have? How many meals?
Um,
Do you order an
many
appetizer?
meals. Mm,
Oh, you go straight
I
to the
don't know.
main
Many.
course. Mhm. In the main course, there could be vegetables, meat. If you want rice, you can also have it. So it is the heaviest food. Heaviest food. Okay. Main course is the heaviest food. Mhm. So, what do you usually include in your meal? Oh, do you have something to say? Wait. Teacher. Oh, my computer is a bit laggy. Oh, I'm so sorry. What do we do? Okay. Can you wait for a minute?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for waiting. But I think I can't fix it. Okay. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, let's continue. Mhm. Okay. Next, let's go to the next word. Number 3, please.
Person.
Cuisine.
Cuisine.
Cuisine. It's like a cuisine. Yes. What is cuisine?
Mm, like a food.
Yes. And add more, dear. You can see the meaning here. When we say cuisine,
Food.
from where?
Reason style of cooking.
Yes, style of cooking. Okay. So example, uh, I will show you another picture. Please wait. How about in Vietnam? What is a typical Vietnamese family meal? What is your style of cooking?
Fish, seafood, meat,
Hmm.
um, vegetable.
Is this accurate? Is this true?
Mm,
It is. And how do you like your food? Do you boil? Do you grill, steam, stir fried? In your house, dear, talk about the food you serve at home.
in my home, uh, my family usually eat uh, broccoli.
How is it prepared? Steamed, I think.
Have broccoli and I don't know how to explain.
Oh, I think it's steamed. Steamed, like there's hot water below, and then the broccolis were in this pot, and they don't touch the boiling water, just the smoke coming from the boiling water. So that is steam. Okay. That is usually how they prepare broccoli. Okay. So remember, when you say cuisine, it's a style of cooking on each region. So there's Vietnamese cuisine, there's Filipino cuisine, there's Italian, and a lot of and on each country. Okay. Next, word number 4, please.
Dessert.
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 Okay. Remember, I want you to know that there's another word that it looks like it, but not really it. This is the desert, which is very hot and sandy. Desert.
Dessert.
But the other one is dessert. Dessert.
Dessert.
Desert.
Dessert.
Okay, so when we say dessert, 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 it's the food, sweets. When we say desert, it's the sandy place that's very hot. Okay?
Mm.
What is your favorite dessert?
Uh, like cake.
Ooh, me too. Okay, that is a dessert. When do we eat dessert? Before or at the end of a meal?
The end of a movie.
Yes. Okay, next word.
Waiter
Or
or wages.
yes, remember the one who takes order and brings food is called waiter. But if it's a woman or a female, waitress. Waiter, waitress. Next, please.
Make a booking.
Mhm.
Also book a table.
What does that mean?
Like we book a table at home, and when we go to the restaurant, uh, we have a table, not have to wait.
Very good. Yes. Reserve. Book or reserve. Okay. Reserve a table for a meal so you don't have to wait. Okay. Next. These are some common verbs or action words that we use when we're in the restaurant. I know you're already familiar with them, so instead of explaining them, let's try to use each one of them in a sentence. Agree? Okay, my turn. Any sentence, okay? Positive, negative, or a question will do. Okay. Can you please give me the menu? Give. Your turn.
Uh, do you want to drink? Uh, do you want to drink orange juice?
Okay, my turn. Uh huh. Please serve my food hot. Okay. Your turn.
Okay, I pay with a credit card.
Very good. Okay, I'm eating now. Eating, eat. Your turn.
Uh,
This is a verb, okay? Not a person.
mm, I like to cook with my mom at home.
What? Again, please.
I like cook with my mom at home.
Oh, dear, we're at the restaurant. Yes. Or, okay, we'll do. Okay, just any sentence. Okay, my turn. Hold your sandwich like this. Okay, your turn.
Please turn on a light.
Yes. Oh, wait, dear. Mhm. This is a verb now, not a noun. Okay. Light is you were going to do it. It's an action word. Uh-huh. Okay.
Mm,
What do we do with a candle? That's your clue.
candle.
Hmm. What do we do with a candle? Light the candle. Light the candle. Okay. So now it's a verb. Light the candle. It's a verb now. Okay. The one you use is grammatically correct, but it's a noun. Remember, now we're going to use them as verbs. Okay. My turn. Can I take your order, please? Okay. Your turn.
I don't know what word is it.
Oh, look at the picture first. She's holding something and she's putting it on a bread. Could be a bread. Is that a jam? So you spread it. Spread. Uh huh.
Uh, I want to spread a butter on my bread,
Very good.
my
Okay.
sandwich.
Next. Where is that? Left. Mm, please lift the empty plates off the table. Okay. Lift off. It means remove them. Okay, your turn.
Uh, please write.
Like you are the
Um,
waiter. You are the waiter. What will you do?
mm, uh, a waiter write a name of a food on a plate.
Yes, very good. My turn. Slice, please. Oh, I want my steak sliced thinly. Okay, your turn.
Mm,
If you can't understand the word, look at the picture. What do they look like?
like a line,
So those
like
are
a
steps.
line,
Like a
line.
line. Yes. So when we say stack, put the objects onto another. Okay? Put them onto one another. Okay. So you stack on a sentence. We can also stack plates. So maybe you want to use that one instead. Your choice.
Mm,
This this is my plate. Stack it another one and stack another plate, another plate, another plate. Mhm. Maybe you can describe what a waiter does.
um, a waiter stacks a plate
The plate when he lift them
when
off.
he
Mhm. Okay, that will do. Anyway, you said the waiter stacks the plate. Okay, and the last one set. Mhm. It's your turn again. I'll give it to you. Set. Like I'm waiting for a table to be prepared. And then here comes the waiter. He will tell me that everything is prepared now. The table is ready.
I take. My mom said that the table at home we to don't have to wait when go to the restaurant.
Oh, where's the set? Set. Oh, in this part, it's
That
set. When we say set, we can set the table, we can set anything that needs to be done. Okay? The word set. Ready, get set, go. Example: my mom told me to set the table for dinner. It means prepare everything. Put the plates, the forks, and knives and spoons. Set. Any questions, Lynn?
No.
No.
Mm,
I'm still laggy. I am?
a little.
Oh no. Okay, tell me when you can't understand. I would gladly repeat. Okay? Okay. Next. Ooh, here you go. You said you have tried eating at a buffet, and we already answered that one. Ooh. Look at this restaurant. What can you say?
I say people eat food.
Mhm. What do they offer?
Mm,
What? Aside from food, what beverages do they offer?
wine.
Yes, or alcohol. Yes, very good. Now let's talk about your favorite restaurant. Tell me the name of the restaurant. Where is it? How often do you go there? And who do you often go there with? What food does it have? I can give you 2 or 3 minutes to prepare your talk. Or do you want to do it now? I can wait.
Um,
Okay. Whenever you're ready. Remember to do the same when you have a test, okay? Always add details. Whenever I call you home. Ever and ever. You can start whenever you're ready.
I'm finished.
Okay, now tell me the name, where, how often, who do you go with, and what food does it have? Go!
My favorite restaurant is Tokyo Deli. It is in Japan, but in Vietnam too. I go there twice a month, and I go when I study well.
Oh,
I go with my family. In this restaurant have sushi, salmon set, udon noodles, and many food. Have lots of food.
yay! Very good, Lynn. You even tell me, or you even say why you go to that place. It's when you did very well on your studies. That's not written here. Very good. And when you said uh, the restaurant have instead of have, because it's about something that we're talking about, we use has. The restaurant has a lot of food. Okay, has. And very good. Okay, let's go to the next part. Speaking part, we've got two prompt cards. And oh, where's my other finger? There. Okay, we're gonna make some questions. Okay, so I will introduce the shop, and maybe you can do the same on the next one. Okay, so listen carefully. Okay, visit Parker's Sweet Shop. It's located at 14 Barrett Road, just 5 minutes from town center. You can try our famous chocolate eggs and sugar hearts. They're very delicious. And our prices are lower than in other shops. We are open from Mondays to Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, and now let's make some questions. If you want, I can give you some time to prepare for your questions. Would you like that? Yes, okay. Go. Excuse.
I'm finished.
Okay, let's go to number one. Ask about the name of the shop.
What is the name of the shop?
You mean what? What? Uh huh. Please,
What?
yes, do that in your T, okay? We are using British accent from now on. Send, okay? What is? Yes, number two, please.
Is the shop expensive or cheap?
Oh, you mean, are they selling the shop?
No, the food.
Yes. Now, would you try again? Would you like to try again? Ask about the food, if it's expensive or not. Because in your question, it sounds like they're selling the shop itself. You can say products, pastries, because I think these are pastries. Chocolate, eggs, and sugars are kinds of pastries. Let me spell that one part for you. Ooh, wrong spelling, wrong. Pastries. And when you sell something, those are products. So you can choose any. Go! Let me try.
Uh,
Would you let me? Okay.
yes.
Are their products cheap or expensive? Your turn.
Okay.
Are their products cheap or expensive? Your turn. Use pastries. Are there? Remember, there are different ways to ask one question. Are there? There. It's not there. It's not what you think. Let me write it. Are there products cheap or expensive?
Uh, does a pastries expensive or cheap?
Does. I think you need to change the word does. Or maybe you can also say, do they sell expensive pastries? So the answer is they sell cheap because it says their prices are lower. They sell cheap products. Okay. Mhm. Again. Okay. Any questions, Lynn?
No.
No. Okay. And remember, there are different ways or other questions with to make in just you can make several questions to ask some about something. Okay. So there are different ways. Number 3, please.
When does the shop open?
Okay. Number 4.
Does the shop have chocolate cake?
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear it. Please.
Does the shop have chocolate eggs?
Very good. Okay, number 4. Number 5.
Are there a town center near the shop?
Could be. Yes. How about if you want to know if the shop is near the town center? It's the other way. Is, you can start with is the Sweets shop. Another way to ask. Mhm. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
It is the shop near a town center.
Yes, because remember, we are talking about the sweet shop. We are not talking about the town center. Town center is just a detail about the shop. Okay. Since we don't have much time, dear, I'm going to give you this one as your homework. Okay. Is that okay? And so you can also have time to prepare. Okay. Same format. I will ask you to make questions based on the prompt cards. Okay. So let's review. We learned some words about restaurants, just like lift off, mm, slice, serve, pay, and talk about your favorite restaurant. Do you have any questions about the lesson?
No, I don't.
Okay. If you can't hear me clearly today, you can watch our class again because it's clearer in my video because this one is recorded. Okay? Okay. This is recorded. You can watch it again. Thank you so much, Lynn. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Bye.